Hi guys, so we're here today to make some cauliflower fried rice. This is what you're gonna need: 2 bags of cauliflower rice, some carrots, peas, some eggs, garlic, oyster sauce, and soy sauce. We also are gonna be adding shrimp today. You can add any protein you want or leave it vegetarian, it's up to you. So at this point, we are starting with the shrimp. Please remember to wash your hands to stop cross-contamination. It's also a good idea to wear gloves, but always toss them as soon as you're done cleaning the shrimp. Here we're going to add 1 to 1.5 tablespoons of sesame and olive oil to the pan. Grabbing a new pair of gloves, start chopping some of the green onions and other vegetables we're going to need for this recipe. Once you're done chopping the onions, go ahead and add them to the pan so you can start sauteing them. At this point, we're just sauteing the onions to try to soften them up for the rest of the dish. Once the onions are sauteed, go ahead and start adding in your vegetables. Add the bag of carrots, the bag of peas. You don't have to add them all, just add as much as or as little as you want. Start sauteing all the vegetables together. Once you're done sauteing the vegetables, go ahead and add in the garlic and just mix it well. Go ahead and add in your shrimp at this point. Stir the shrimp really well. It shouldn't take that long to cook. Once the shrimp is cooked, transfer it all to another bowl. So at this point, go ahead and add as many or as few eggs as you want. I like a lot of eggs in my fried rice, so I went ahead and added, I believe, 6. Basically, all you're going to do is make a giant scrambled egg. At this point, go ahead and start to transfer back the ingredients into the pan where the eggs were scrambled. Try to mix it well. Add in your oyster sauce and your soy sauce. I figure it was about 1/3 of a cup of each. So now you're just going to mix all the ingredients together and you're pretty much done. Go ahead and enjoy.